Welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday. Again, this is a second video of the day. I'm driving from Lake Street, East Lake Street to Micro Center in St. Louis Park. If you watched the previous video, you already saw that I was driving from Maplewood to here. This is Minneapolis, basically. The street is called Lake Street. So it's a beautiful evening. By beautiful I mean it's not snowing, it's May, but it's a little drizzling outside. It seems like it's gonna rain anytime. It's been cloudy all day, and the weather forecast was we're gonna start getting rain at 3, but I haven't seen any rain yet, but that doesn't mean it's not gonna rain. So thank you for watching my channel, my videos, and for your support. Smash that button, the subscription button, to continue supporting us. And I'm almost at the milestone 50 subscribers. That's pretty cool for me. I know some other people have millions, but I don't care about that. I'm very appreciative of everyone who have all my subscribers. So talk to your friends, your family, and everybody, and let them know that I have a cool channel, so that they can also subscribe and also click the likes for the videos. All right, thanks for your support. Hopefully you're doing well. It's Saturday, but I don't know what time you're watching or what day, but I hope you're doing well. All right, peace. You may have noticed that the previous video and this video, I don't have music anymore when I'm driving, because I realized that sometimes when I post videos, they get rejected or blocked because of copyright. Even though the music I listen to, all of it, it's in public domain. But from now, when I drive, I'm not gonna be playing any music. Still drizzling, but there isn't much rain yet. Soon you're gonna see Minneapolis skyline. Seems like to my right over there, where the cop is coming, they're having something. I see tents and also a bunch of people there. So I don't know. Looks like a camp or something. I don't want to speculate, but it's what it is. Right there is a Viking US Bank Stadium. I'm gonna go to 94 West here. That shiny building, that's where the Vikings play. That's a roof. Minneapolis skyline to my right. Some guy has a pickup truck carrying some wood, chopped up wood, and it's not even tied. that can go flying off the car and causing an accident or something. Dark because of the clouds and the rain. It's raining quite a bit. That's my favorite SUV right there to my left. Range Rover. I love them Range Rovers. Unfortunately, I can't afford them. Don't have 60, 70, 100,000 to spend on a vehicle. Yeah, if I win lottery, I'll buy a Lamborghini SVJ. Yep, you heard me right. Lamborghini SVJ. The 2020. I love them. I watch a lot of YouTube videos on those SVJs. But fully equipped, it's 680,000. You heard me right. For a car, 680,000. This is Golden Valley. It's a upper class suburb. Rich people live over here. Range Rover is gone. It's made for this weather. Rain, snow, sand. I should be in St. Louis Park in about 5 minutes at the Micro Center. Some idiot is going too fast. You don't want to drive that fast when it's all slippery and wet. But you have idiots on the roads. Micro Center, you should see the sign right there in front of me. Right there. You didn't see it. So I should be at the store in a couple minutes or less than 2 minutes. I know there's a wait because of COVID-19. You have to go register at the main door, and then you're gonna get a text when it's your turn to get into the store, because they are limiting the number of people who can be at the store at the same time. And being a Saturday evening, I expect it to be busy, but we'll see. See, the parking is full here, parking lot. So I'm gonna find parking some place. There's a long line. I'm gonna focus on the line right there. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, there's a long line over there. All right, I'm here. Peace out. Thanks for watching.